TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida. It is 1 p.m. Eastern Time, 3 hours left to go until that closing bell. Let's check in on the markets as all major indices currently in the red, but not by that much. Dow Jones currently off only 15 points or less than 0.1%, trading 25,693. S&P's off 8 points or 0.3%, trading at 2771. And the Nasdaq, the leader in the way down, off 34 points or about 0.4%, trading 7387. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform, check in on some of the futures markets with 3 hours left to go. So, of course, you have Fed Chairman Powell speaking ahead of Congress today, releasing his speech he was making at 8:30 Eastern Time, taking questions from Congress. A few headlines out there. Powell, Fed members will be taking another look at rate projections. Fed Chairman Jerome Powell indicates that the Fed plans to hike rates 3 times this year and may be inclined to a 4th. Repeating previous warnings, Powell says the central bank has to be careful as stock market prices continue to rise. And then another headline out here, yields started jumping right at this moment when Powell hinted at more rate hikes than expected ahead. So with that in mind, let's jump back and take a look at the markets, how they fared during that testimony and questions. So we have the NASDAQ 100 currently 69.54. We were above 7,000 as of about 10:20 a.m. this morning, 7,007. We trade all the way down. You're talking about almost 80 points. No, a legit 80 points. Yeah, 90 points to 69.14. And from there, we're up another 40 points. That's some volatility for sure. S&P 500, some big action as well. Same time frame, same movements. Call it 2790 almost. We're up to. We trade all the way down to 2757. You're talking about 33 points. From there, we're up a good 23 points we're up 13 points from that level currently. Dow 30 not cooperating. That's all right. Gold contract struggling a bit today. 13.16 for gold. Not that long ago, only as of 8 a.m. this morning, we were up at 13.33, a good $16, $17 decline. Crude oil, that's some volatility as well. Crude 63.23. Of course, we get the API inventories tonight for crude after the closing bell, and we get the EIA inventories tomorrow, 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time. And Bitcoin bouncing around a pretty tight trading range, 10,579. Stay tuned. We got our man Steve Rhodes coming up right now with the Trader's Edge. Dave White back here with the Power Trading Hour at 2 o'clock. Then we have a treat. Steve Rhodes at 3 o'clock, and we have our man Dave White at 4 o'clock. Tom O'Brien's in New York at the Traders Expo. Have a great day, everybody.